Begin by thoroughly removing any makeup from your face using a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil. Make sure to cleanse your face to remove all traces of makeup, dirt and impurities. Use a mild facial cleanser that suits your skin type to cleanse your face. Gently massage the cleanser onto your damp skin in circular motion, paying attention to areas prone to oiliness or congestion. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. If you choose to exfoliate, then this step should be done after cleansing. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or chemical exfoliation such as AHA or BHA to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Be careful not to over-exfoliate as it can cause irritation and dryness. Apply a toner to your face using a cotton pad or by gently patting it into your skin with clean hands, because toner helps balancing the skin pH level, hydrate and prepare your skin for the next step. Apply a few drops of your preferred serum onto your face and neck. Serums are concentrated with active ingredients that target specific skincare concerns such as brightening, hydration or anti-aging. Gently massage the serum into your skin until fully absorbed. Take a small amount of eye cream on your ring finger and dab it gently around the eye area. Pat the product instead of rubbing it to avoid unnecessary tugging on the delicate skin. Eye cream helps moisturize and minimize the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Apply a suitable moisturizer all over your face and neck. Choose a moisturizer that matches your skin type and address any specific concern you have, such as dryness, oiliness, or sensitivity. Massage the moisturizer into your skin using upward circular motions. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, you can consider applying a few drops of face oil after your moisturizer. Face oil helps block in moisturizer and provide additional nourishment to the skin. If you have any active breakout or blemishes, then apply a spot treatment that are specifically designed for acne-prone skin and follow the instruction provided with the product for the best result. Finish up your routine by applying a nourishing lip balm to keep your lip hydrated and smooth. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine the best product and routine for your specific skin concern and needs.